In this guide, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can stop Instagram from listening to you. You may have noticed that Instagram is specifically showing you ads based on stuff that you've been talking about, which can be a little bit creepy. And obviously, you don't really want that because it's a major invasion of your privacy. Here's how you can stop it quick and easy. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you have Instagram open, actually go ahead and close out of it. And what you're going to want to do is actually open up the settings on your device. From here, go ahead and search for your microphone settings and open up your microphone settings. And it's going to show you every single app that has access to your microphone, which is going to be how these apps can listen to what you're saying. What you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see Instagram on here and tick it off just like so. Now, when you go ahead and back out of your settings and go back into Instagram, Instagram is no longer going to have microphone access and will no longer be able to listen to any conversations that you might be having. If you do have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.